Hello guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you can add a background image inside of your report. So as you can see, we have a sample report in here, which looks pretty boring. It has an image behind the background, but it's pretty boring. So we want to change this. So the first step is actually, we need to go to the visualizations panel, which is here to the right, and we have to find this icon, which says format your report page. Now, after you click on it, you're going to find the canvas background option. And as you can see, there's an image, which is already uploaded here, but we want to get rid of this image. Instead, we're going to browse for our own image, which I have already done here, some flowers. And this is how it looks. All right. Now, what we can do is we can change the image aspect ratio by going to image fit. We can select normal, fill, or fit, depending on what we like. And most interestingly, we can change the transparency of the image, okay? Sometimes it's gonna look like too much, and we wanna make it more white, more transparent, so we can do that by increasing this option. So that's it. Thank you so much.